age home, nestled in a quiet neighborhood, there lived a spirited young girl named Emily. Emily loved visiting the residents at the home, brightening their days with her cheerful presence. One day, while helping out in the kitchen, Emily stumbled upon a dusty old bowl tucked away in a forgotten corner. As Emily washed the bowl, a shimmering light emitted from its surface, and before her eyes, the ordinary kitchen bowl transformed into a vessel of wonder. The magical bowl had the power to cook any dish imaginable with just a simple command. As Emily places the bowl on the table, she whispers to herself, her eyes sparkling with excitement.
Wow, this bowl is amazing! I can't believe I found something so special! Wow, this bowl is amazing! I can't believe I found something so special! Hey everyone, look what I found in the kitchen today! It's a really old bowl, and it's supposed to be magical!
Magical, you say? Well, let's put it to the test then!
Okay, let's see if this really works. Here goes nothing! Bowl, oh bowl, let's make some magic unfold! Bowl, oh bowl, let's make some magic unfold!
To their amazement, the bowl began to glow with a soft light, and before their eyes, it filled with an array of delicious dishes, from hearty stews to decadent desserts. Excited by the discovery, the residents began experimenting with the bowl's magical powers. They whispered commands, and to their delight, the bowl conjured up delicious meals and delightful treats. But as days passed, the residents grew bolder, testing the limits of the bowl's magic. One fateful day, in their eagerness, someone accidentally chanted the wrong mantra.
Okay, let's check the power of this bowl. Bowl, oh bowl, grant us a feast to remember. Bowl, bowl, oh bowl, grant us a feast to remember. Bowl, bowl, oh bowl, grant us a feast to remember.
It's working! This is incredible!
Bowl, oh bowl, grant us a feast to remember.
Suddenly, the bowl started to grow bigger and bigger, towering over them like a giant. The residents gasped in horror as the bowl threatened to swallow up their home.
Get out of here!
Gasped in horror as monstrous food items began to emerge from the bowl-towering sandwiches, colossal fruits, and giant pastries. It seemed the bowl had taken on a life of its own, creating a chaotic mess that sent the residents running in every direction
Run for your
to
lives.
escape the looming threat.
Run for your lives! Don't worry, everyone. I have an idea. We need to find the right words to shrink the bowl back to its normal size. Let's trick the bowl into making something simple. We'll ask it to make salads instead of fancy dishes. That way, it won't grow any bigger. Bowl, oh bowl, fill with greens, the freshest salads we've ever seen. Bowl, oh bowl, fill with greens, the freshest salads we've ever seen.
To their relief, the bowl obediently filled with an assortment of crisp, colourful salads. As the bowl returned to its original form, The residents breathed a sigh
Thanks,
of
Emily,
relief.
for helping us out.
Thank you so much, Emily. You saved us.
Oh, it was nothing. We make a great team.
With smiles and hugs all around, the residents shared their gratitude, feeling closer than ever. They knew that no matter what challenges came their way, they could count on each other for support and friendship.
Ladies and gentlemen, today's adventure with the magical bowl taught us that true magic lies not in objects or possessions, but in the love, laughter, and companionship shared among friends and loved ones.